Hello guys, we are from Maqbool Solutions Software Company. Today's video is especially for business managers and owners. We're going to dive into the main reporting feature, which is available as a separate reports module in the system. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of reports are included in this module? Well, let me tell you, each individual module already has its own reports. For example, invoices have a reports button. Sales and orders also offer reporting options. But today, we're focusing only on the reports module itself. We'll give you a quick overview, highlight key reports, and explain how you can use them to calculate your business sales, profit, and loss. So when you click on the reports menu, the first option you'll see is business-wise profit and loss. This is your go-to if you want a full overview of your entire business's profit and loss. If you need a single report showing total sales, expenses, profit, loss, go straight to this option. You can set your search criteria here, like today, this month, this year, custom date range, or just select overall. Let's say we choose overall and click on generate report. You'll instantly get a complete summary report of your business. You can also apply filters as needed. At the top, you'll see sales revenue. That's your total net sales for the selected period, including both cash and credit sales. Right below that, you'll see any returns, both overall and item-wise. This is used to calculate your net sales. Then comes other revenue. That's any income apart from sales. This is pulled from the other revenue section, which we've already covered in another video. You'll see the total value of that revenue here. Now comes the fun part, stock calculation. Opening stock. What you had before the selected dates, inward-outward stock. Closing stock. What you have left now. It also shows tax, receivables, and payables, and after all these, you get to see your COGS, cost of goods sold. This shows you how much it costs to sell the products, basically the purchase value of sold items. Next up, operating profit loss. Here's where all expenses come into play, like fuel, returns, utilities, everything. You'll see both a summary and a detailed format here. And yes, this also includes employee salaries for the selected time frame. Ledger discounts are also factored in. If you received a discount, it adds to your profit. If you gave a discount, it's counted as a loss. And finally, the number you've been waiting for, net profit loss. This shows your final outcome after everything is calculated. Sales, purchases, expenses, taxes, discounts, all of it. Just above that, you'll also see your operating profit calculated separately. This business-wise P&L report is super useful for business managers and owners. It gives you a clear, complete picture of your business's financial health. Next up, product-wise profit and loss. Just like before, you can select daily, monthly, yearly, whatever you prefer. You'll also get to choose whether to view base units, like boxes, liters, kilograms, or secondary units, smaller units or pieces. Wholesalers usually go with base units. Retailers or smaller shops use secondary units. Once you apply your criteria and hit report, you'll get a full breakdown. Which products were sold, quantity, purchase quantity, net sales after returns, purchase and sale price, profit loss on each item. If it's a negative, that's a loss. If it's positive, that's a profit. You'll also see the profit margin sent out clearly. And right at the bottom, you'll see which product had highest and lowest sales. Super helpful for making informed decisions, right? Next up, company-wise profit and loss. You also have an all companies option. Want to compare company sales for today? Boom, done. Let's say you want to focus on one company, for example, Burger Paints. Just type the name, set the date range, like 1 full year, and generate the report. You'll get full details, which items were purchased and sold, dates, profit, loss, and margin for each item. Then comes category-wise reports. Very helpful if you deal in multiple product types. Blanchard, choose all categories or a specific one, like paints, medicines, cosmetics, surgical type. Generate the report and see category performance in sales and profit. Subcategories? Yep, those are also covered with the same filters. Next, customer-wise profit and loss. Want to know which customers are buying the most? Who's ordering frequently? You can see it all and maybe even reward your top customers with discounts or bonuses. The system supports it. Just select all customers or search by name and generate the report. Want to check performance area-wise? We've got that too. Select the defined zone/area and get a full breakdown of sales and profit loss from that region. There's also a product-wise report. If you want to check one specific product, just enter the name, add filters if needed, and you'll see when it was sold, to whom, at what price, discounts, tax, net sale value. And one more amazing feature, category-wise sale report, especially helpful for narcotic drugs or other controlled items. Generate reports, show authorities when needed. It's all documented properly. Lastly, your two big financial reports. 1. Trial balance, yearly overview with sales, returns, debits, credits, useful for audits or even zakat. 2. Balance sheet, all your assets, liabilities, and equity in one place. Great for closing your year and financial planning. So that's a wrap. We've covered some of the most important reports in the system. If you'd like us to make a detailed video on any of these options, just drop a comment below. And hey, if you're finding these videos helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That way you'll always stay updated with the latest features. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.